of this would happen. And all this time, I have been the only one holding it all together.
Look out! Oh, easy on him!
You don't belong here. You never did.
Let me go! This isn't what we talked about!
You talked about this? You knew? You all knew?
I didn't know how to tell you.
That's why you never came to see me.
Miles, it's for your own good.
Hold it!
I'm not a kid, Gwen!
That's exactly what you are. You're just a kid who has no idea what he's doing.
Yeah, well, I did lure hundreds of spider people away from your little clubhouse.
I guess he did plan this out.
And I'm about to do this. Everyone keeps telling me how my is supposed to go.
Over my feet!
I'm gonna do my own thing. Sorry, man. I'm going home.
Someone help! I taught him how to do that, so I gotta be a pretty good mentor to pull that off.